Hi students, good morning. Once again we return in our remaining chapter, equality in Indian democracy. Last class, last 3 or 4 classes we discussed about that what is equality, what is democracy. Next, there is some inequality prevails in our society, like that caste inequality, gender discrimination. Okay, such types of inequality, that economical resource wealth inequality prevails, that the inequality in our country. But today we discuss some welfare scheme that are provided by our government for equality in Indian democracy, to maintain equality in Indian democracy. Today we discuss the some welfare scheme, and that these are known as the welfare scheme. Welfare scheme. Okay, these are known as the welfare scheme. Remember, these are known as the welfare scheme. First time we discuss first most important thing, Sarva Shiksha Abhijan. Sarva Shiksha Abhijan. Sarva Shiksha Abhijan. The Sarva Shiksha Abhijan has provided by our government 6 to 14 years all the children free education. Government has provided a free education to from 6 to 14 years, and it is was most important step taken by the government, and try to improve the our try to improve the equality among the among the children, and 6 to 14 years all children, government has provided the free education, and government also provided the free meal, midday meal, another scheme, midday meal, midday meal scheme. Government had provided the midday meal scheme. It means all the children 6 to 14 years, all the children, this is government school. The school provided, the school authority provided the midday meal. It is important scheme because we know that India is a not very rich country. Okay, India is a poor country, welfare country, developing country. We try to develop for the চেষ্টা কৰিছো, but we are not developed. Okay, developing country. So there is more children, there are more students. They belongs to poor family. They could not, the family, the parents could not provide the 2 times of meals. So most of the students, they leave the education. They leave the education. It's a dropout from the school. Enrollment, less of enrollment due to the poverty, to the poor condition. Okay, so government tried to provide the meal, midday meal. Okay, to provide school faculty. This important facility provided our government. And another scheme, Sarva Shiksha Abhijan, provided the free education. Government provided the clothes, dress, food. Okay, you know that government also provided the cycle also to women. To women. This is the Sarva Shiksha Abhijan. In our Assam, the Sarva Shiksha Abhijan is included by our Assam government. And there is some important health facility provided our government. One is the, here mentioned that NRHM, NR, National Rural Health Mission, NRHM. We see in our village area PHC, in our village area PHC, in our local area PHC, Public Health Center, medical black public health center, and that are free treatment provided by our government. This work for NRHM, National Rural Health Mission, is provided to the village people free treatment. And one is the MG MREGA. Okay, MG MREGA or MREGA. Government has provided 100 days job unskilled person to unskilled person from the side of government job. 100 days job is provided by our government. It is known as the MG MREGA. MG means Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Okay, again I repeat, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. It provides 100 days work, and before lockdown the wages salary, labor salary was 188 rupees. Now it is 202 rupees. Okay, every workman they gain their wages before lockdown 188, but this time 202 rupees provided by our government. These are the important scheme, welfare scheme provided by our government to maintain the equality, to try to improve the society condition. Okay, remember first time I mentioned the Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, next time midday meal scheme, next is the NRHM, National Rural Health Mission, and one is the MG MREGA. Okay, government provided the work facility. Okay, unskilled person, basically unemployment people. Okay, unemployment means a condition who wants to work but they did not get any job. Okay, those people, unskilled person, they involved in the MG MREGA. It is job card. Okay, job card প্লেমাৰটা স্কিম বনাইছে গভৰ্ণমেণ্টে MG MREGA job card বিলাক ইস্যু কৰে. Okay, next we discuss the issue of equality in other democracy. If we discuss about the most of the democratic country like the Africa, we know that the African people are basically black people, okay, Negro people. Africa, they had a great rebellion, freedom struggle. Okay, that freedom struggle was led by Nelson Mandela. He passed 27 years in jail, in case 27 years due to racial movement or apartheid. In Africa, white people, it means European people, rule over among the African people, black people. Okay, European people rule over the black people. Okay, African people, and always neglected the African people, always neglected by the European people, white people. So that a movement launched by the Nelson Mandela. So he imprisoned 27 years. He passed his life, Nelson Mandela, and for his sacrifice, for his struggle, Africa got independence in 1991. Okay, another thing I mentioned it, Rosa Parks. Okay, Rosa Parks, a woman. Okay, Rosa Parks, a woman. Okay, he movement, African American. He movement for his country, for her country. Another Rosa Parks, that time in African, in Africa, and people in American country, Latin American country, the system that white people they use separate school and the black people they it was separate school. But that time the law was not provided equality. Okay, that time the law was not provide equality. So Rosa Parks launched a movement against that system, and then another person, Martin Luther King, Latin American person, he also made a movement for his country to break the racial system, to abolish the racial system. And those are the important person. I mentioned Nelson Mandela, Martin Luther King, Rosa Parks, and these most famous people. Okay, these most famous people, they launched movement for their maintain the equality in their own country. And basically Nelson Mandela, Martin Luther King, they were influenced by the Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, they were influenced by the Mahatma Gandhi. But present time we know that there are different laws provided by our government to maintain the equality. Our constitution also provided the position, the system of equality. But somehow we watch different situation, different places. The people maintain the inequality because they are stereo mind. They are stereo mind. Okay, narrow mind or stereotype condition for this situation. But we have for our education, if we learn something, basically social science, then we never neglect any person to maintain the equality. Thank you, and I finish this chapter. Okay, have a nice day.